So these are super cute too. This whole brand is just like really, really cute. Again, they have the 8-ounce 6 set. You get them also in a 4-ounce set or 12-ounce set, okay? And you do have multicolored. You could have them in a teal or black with red on the inside. So you see the black with the red on the inside here. They can even be used as little like pie dishes. They are safe for oven and dishwasher and microwave. So just be aware, these are porcelain. They can go in the oven, okay? The other ones I showed you cannot go in the oven. Those are bowls, regular bowls, okay? These, on the other hand, can go in the oven. They are food safe, freezer safe as well, dishwasher safe, and microwave safe. Oh, I didn't know about the freezer part. That is cool. That is cool. Chew. Love that. Sorry, I'm yawning. I know. But I love these, okay? To make little pies, little souffles. I even put like an egg in there and like bake the eggs when I have company over, make little things. Ice cream. Love it. And they stack inside each other so it saves space too. Love these, okay?